Good morning, friends. Today I will tell you how I have taken the trade. Again, if you watch my last two videos, yesterday also I posted on what basis I have taken a trade on the same sort of concept on volume, on price, pure price action based on volume analysis. I have taken the trade, and it has given me 1:2 a risk to reward ratio, 10.1 stop loss, and I have taken 20 points. Actually, my target was 30 points. But what happened? The markets kept on hovering near my 20 points area. So I have booked the profit. But if I would have waited, I would have got nearly 30 points, right? Which is the high made today in the option of 17,700, right? Now we'll see. See, first I'll tell you the overall view. See, yesterday market was in positive, right? So today also the expectation was that market will be positive. It will not be a negative one. But what has happened? Market has gapped down and it has broken yesterday's swing low. You can see over here. Okay, the same thing has happened day before yesterday also. Swing low was broken, right? Yesterday also swing low of day before yesterday was broken, and there was a good movement. Even today, the same thing. Swing low of yesterday was broken, right? And there was a big green candle, and from there you have seen the movement had started. Now I will correlate with the volumes, right? Which is the main key point on which I take the trade. Now let's see. See over here. See, I was having the positive view, so I was not going for short, right? So I was waiting for a reversal. So when we see over here, there was a red candle, and next the candle was green, but the volume was very high. Okay. So I compared the same thing, and at the same time on Bank Nifty also. So here also I found the same thing. That see what was the time here? The time was 9:50, right? Here the 9:50 candle was again here also. In this case, also volume was high compared to the previous candles, right? So what I did, I just waited for a pullback. I just waited out for a full pullback where my volume criteria satisfies. So what happens if you look at this candle at 10:35, the volume is 32.1, and at 10:30 the volume is 47.5. So what has happened? The volume in this candle is lower than the previous candle, and the candle is bigger than the previous candle. Okay, the same thing is if you see over here also the same thing. The volume was low. It was 34 point. Sorry, the volume was 16K, and the previous candle was 34.3K. So here also there was a clear indication of a bullish movement. Okay, so I was having a bullish view on both the cases over here also and over here also. So what I did, I went long in the Nifty. I went long in the Nifty, and I have taken a call option of 17,700, where my stop loss was of 180, and my entry was, you can see over here on my order book, my entry was 189.95 and my stop loss was 180, right? So if you see over here my on this candle, that my entry was somewhere on this candle, right? And I booked my target somewhere near this 210, right? This area. Actually, what is happening? Market was going to this area. It was coming back, going, coming back, going, coming back. I booked my profit over here, right? At this place, somewhere at this place. But 1:3, if I would have waited for 1:3, the high was 219.75. So just 1:3 was achieved. So I would have got my target 1:3. But today was a Friday, right? And Friday you won't find very smooth movements. Friday and Monday is not good for option buyers, right? Because you won't find a very clear direction on Fridays, right? So and also what I was saying, that if you see in that if you see on this chart, right, on our spot chart, the market was, there was no big candle, right? Market was slowly going, slowly going, and after this movement, I mean to say, this movement has market has made this movement, and the market was not in a very fast or hurry to move over here, right? And even I was looking Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty was not so strong, Bank Nifty was not looking so strong. Means there was the momentum was somewhat lying. Means if you notice, their momentum was somewhat missing in that when was market was achieving the top. See, market has came over here, it came down. It came over, it came down. See, what would have been the good case? Market would have came over here, it had came down, again came over here, and with a big candle, it would have crossed this area, right? Which was not happening. Market was just trying to touch it, right? And also being Friday, I thought it was good to exit at 1 is to 2. So I have taken 1 is to 2 in this. You can see that 189 was my buying price and 180 was the stop loss and 210 where I booked the profit. Right? Thank you. Kindly watch my previous videos. In my previous videos, I'll say the link over here. You will find a complete and a detailed explanation of price volume analysis, which I basically use for my trades. Kindly like, subscribe, and watch my videos. Thank you. And if you want any further improvement, kindly comment on that. Thank you.